All right, hello everyone. Welcome back. More experiments with pearl paints. I decided after the wrecked ring pour that I did with making my own colors from the pearl paint. So I made a pink, an orange, a blue green, and a blue violet. I wanted to give them more time to shine, and I probably should have done a wrecked puddle pour to begin with. So that's what I'm going to do this time and see if I can really see the colors as they are mixed together. I still have a couple more experiments. So I have the layering actual colors in between instead of black, and I have mixing in a couple drops of an actual color to see if they come out like a beautiful metallic. So back to the drawing board again. I'm going to try this one. This should be short and sweet. I am going to wreck. I know I've been wrecking with like a tool I made or the head scratcher. I'm going to be wrecking with this one because I like the design that it creates. And I think I'm going to do a lot of puddles on this one. So let's paint. All right, so I'm going to start with the black base. Going down. Now, I did a couple of experiments, if you haven't seen them, where I used, instead of the black base, I used a light opaque, like a periwinkle color, and a blue, and then I used dark blues, so phthalo blues and Payne's gray, and those all work as well. So it was a little bit harder to see the colors on the light opaque colors, but they were still there. And then I also had an experiment, if you want them on a light base, all you have to do is add a little puddle of the black color underneath it, or darker color underneath it, and they will show up beautifully on a white base as well. Okay, let's get started. So I think I want to move this, I want to spread this black out just a little bit to each side first. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. I'm worried about that center. Okay. Oh, I hope I put your back in camera right. Okay, so I'm going to start with the pink puddles. Well, I hope it's going to be pink. I've got my blow dryer under here, keeps tripping me up. Do I want? Okay, I'm going to do it right in the center. Right in the center. Now I have got this orange color. Pearls are so much fun. And I love each time seeing a different design that happens. Put that over there. Oh, I saw a little lump of something. Oh, there it is. I'm going to get that out now. Oh my gosh, which puddle was it? Was it this puddle? Oh no, now I've got that in there. Oh no, well, I'm going to wreck it anyway. I guess I'll see when the puddles come out. Maybe it wasn't even that puddle. As soon as have you ever like, I'm trying to remember something, I'm trying to think about it, I'm like, it's this one, it's this one, it's this one, it's this one. I turn my head for 2 seconds, I come back, I'm like, I lost it. Yep, that's me. Okay. And then the last one is the violet. So I saved a little place for that here. Here. I don't know, I may come back in. Okay, I used all of that one. I've got a couple of little spots here. Just gonna make those go away with my finger. I don't know. I have a little bit left over. This is the orange. I just wanted to make sure. This may be kind of funky here with that middle section, but I'm gonna wreck it anyway, so it should be okay. There's some of these that are in different shapes, like that's a triangle. I'm trying to see if I can see a face in here. Sometimes I make Elmo. All right. Now to wreck. So I'm gonna start, and I'm gonna take my time, because sometimes I go really fast. I'm trying to get through at least all of the puddles one time. Oh, that one was kind of close together. Yeah, sometimes I kind of go too fast and I end up scraping too much of the base color through it. So I'm really trying to take my time here. These really do end up reminding me of leaves. This pattern. Do I come through it this way? Okay, I gotta start taking my time again. Take your time, take your time. I'm always so concerned, like people aren't gonna wanna watch. But then I end up messing up the painting. I shouldn't say messing up, but. All right, I think that's it. Okay, let me get my gloves on. I like the pattern. I do feel like maybe a couple of them could, nope, nope, nope. Not doing it. I'm not doing it. And I'm sure somebody was like, do not pick up the stick. All right, let's stretch this out. I'm gonna go to this side first. This would be really cool to do on a spinner, I feel like. Up this way. Off the edge here, I'm just gonna go ahead and come back down since my paint is over here to this edge. Ooh, do I have enough to make it back over? Last side, down to here, and then I can bring it back to the center. Yeah, I think this design would be really cool to actually stretch out. To spin out. Okay. I can kind of see the orange, I think. All right. So again, I'm going to clean up my sides. I can see the colors a little bit, and I'm glad I did it this way because they're individual instead of being in like the ring pour or some type of straight pour. So stay tuned for all the other experiments I've got going on, and drop any experiments you would like to see. Doesn't have to be this technique into the comments. I always try to do a couple of viewers' choice each month as well. So see what this one looks like. So you can definitely see the violet here. That I think is orange. What I can't figure out is what's pink. So maybe this is pink and that's orange. I I just can't figure it out. But here it is. So that's supposed to be blue-green. It looks more blue. That's supposed to be blue-violet. It looks more violet. That I feel like is definitely orange. The design I love. But I'm excited to see which one's pink, which one's orange. All right, so there we go. Let's see how this one dries. All right, and this one, you can definitely see the colors better. Really pretty. The orange, you've got the blue-green, which is like a turquoise, metallic turquoise color. The blue-violet. You can kind of see the pink, but again, the pink just doesn't show up as well. That pearl white is really strong. And then you've got the orange. So love the design. It definitely works to mix these colors together. And in my next video, I am going to mix a little bit of a regular color in with the pearl colors to see if I can tint it and get it to show up. So super interesting. Really love the colors on this one. Super fun palette. And I'm glad that I tested this out. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.